Hi everybody, welcome back to Want to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'll be guiding you on how you can clear Facebook cache on iPhone. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open up your mobile phone settings, and then now you'll be appear with the settings of your iPhone. Now all you have to do is go to General. Now you have to go to iPhone storage. Now if you scroll all the way down, you can see the Facebook option. Go ahead and tap on it and just offload the application, and offloading the app will help you free up space on your iPhone, and it will also delete the cache from your Facebook. And that's all guys. If you install it again, then you are good to go. So that's all guys. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.